Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tamanegi to wakame no salad. It's very simple and refreshing onion and wakame seaweed salad, perfect for summer. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tamanegi to wakame no salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 onion, 10 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 2 packs of Katsuobushi fish flakes, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie Mayo if available, and 2 tablespoons of Ponzu Sauce. Let's rehydrate dried wakame seaweed. Dried wakame seaweed is a tiny bit when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it's spread out really big, so prepare plenty of water to rehydrate. Then just let it sit for 10 minutes. Let's slice the onion. Cut the top and the bottom off and remove the skin. Cut it into half. I want to make it into very thin, like paper thin slices. You can of course use knife, but slicer is much easier and faster. Put some water and rub. This will remove the pungency of the onion. Throw away water. And put into another bowl as you squeeze this really well. Take some and squeeze. Salad spinner won't do this job, so you need to squeeze using your hands. Wakame seaweed should be rehydrated by now. Let's also squeeze this and add to the bowl. Ponzu sauce, mayonnaise, and katsuobushi all into the bowl. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Super easy. Let's serve in the bowl. And tamanegi to wakame no salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so light and refreshing. Mayonnaise and katsuobushi, the umami booster, bring it to next level, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 玉ねぎとわかめのサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about plain rice here, your favorite miso soup here, and nikudango, Japanese meatball for the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.